Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: the device showing the Wi-Fi exception, its OS and app or firmware version, and the exact error message. Once you have that, restart the router and the affected device to clear transient faults. While those reboot, verify a wired device or phone can reach the internet so you know if the problem is local. If the ISP is down, stop here and wait. Otherwise, move on to targeted configuration checks and logs for deeper issues. You now dig into configuration. Confirm the SSID, password, encryption, WPA2/WPA3, and whether the device is using 4 GHz versus 5 GHz because compatibility issues are common. Then validate DHCP lease status, IP conflicts, and DNS resolution. Assign a static IP temporarily if leases fail. Once done, pull router logs and the device's crash or exception logs. You should apply targeted fixes. Update router firmware and device drivers, reset the device network stack, and reconfigure security settings to known good values. After each change, validate by reconnecting, running ping and traceroute tests, and reproducing the operation that caused the exception. If the issue is fixed, monitor for recurrence. If it persists, backup configs and perform a router factory reset or roll back recent updates. Key troubleshooting tip: if a rollback or safe mode eliminates the exception, restore one change at a time to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.